Hi, this is Rena Baxter, and welcome to Step 2. Today, I would like to talk about shaping the future of your business. We have two choices, and I had talked about in Step 1, we have either a mirrored My Service Plus site that will be ready for you in 3 to 4 days. Just takes time to propagate your domain that we are going to buy for you, or you can have your own site if you insist, and then we will actually, it will take a little bit longer because we have to start from scratch, kind of designing it and making it SEO friendly, mobile friendly, what have you. What you would have to do first is really choose a domain. So if you're going with masterbizplus.com to be part of the revenue share, just choose a name. Usually use maybe your first name and then put some kind of any biz apps or something that appeals to you, or to just to brand you and the company name. Then just click on build my brand. What I want to also point out is that, guess what? You don't have to do anything else beyond that. Our engineers will identify the brand, and they will do all the hookups, everything for you. You don't have to do anything. We may contact you with some questions that we need to answer to finish the branding for you. And again, this will be immediately optimized and tied into our um, algorithms. Good, that's it. You be part of this big machine. You will also be part of the big machine, but not in such a big scale when you do a site individually, because it's not carrying so much of the My Service Plus weight into it. And you cannot be part of the revenue share because you're not promoting My Service Plus. If you refer somebody to us, then yes, you can get a one-time referral, but it's not going to be anything big like we do in the program that I'm going to talk about below. The package that comes with us is you get obviously the branding, the web development, the secure hosting, the search engine optimization. We have the social media marketing options that you can have. Right now we have this great Facebook ad that's going to deploy, and you get 1-for-1 value. You get 150 ad. Facebook matches it 100%. And again, very important, if you want to get any if you want to get the information how to get the 1 month free that I had talked about in the previous page, and to get the 100% match from Facebook, you have to contact me because I have to walk you through this. Couple of stages we have to go through. The My Service Plus people that getting into 100% will get the corporate marketing, which will deploy the MailChimp, and the campaign's already ready to go, the follow-ups and so on. So you'll have step 1, step 2, and step 3, and you're going to kind of have 3 lists. People that opt into your step 1, step 2, and obviously the ones that buy into step 3, which is your unique list, and you can remarket them anything you want. Nobody has to, nobody else will email to them, just you. That's yours. That's it. And if you have also, now if you have your own site, or you can merchant services, we do have e-commerce. So you can set up a store, your own store. Contact us, we can talk about it. That is part of the deal. Okay, now going into the revenue share. I'm not going to go too much into explaining. It's very simple. It's right here on the banner over here. Just tells you if you have a direct referral, $30 for the first month. We base it on maybe on 10 referrals. However you think about it, if you can get 2 subscriptions a month, they will cover your basics. So, and then it will turn to residuals. Imagine that. You just do your own branding, and that's it. Now, let's just go over a little bit about where we are. If you can see below me, you have the credentials. Who are we with? Where are you going? What are you doing? And so on. Now, the one thing that really wanted to touch below is that why did we do this? Why am I getting away from the traffic exchanges and the mailing system, or the safe list and so on? Because all over the internet, the algorithm, and tech providers becoming blocked by hosts. Why? Because they're considered to be shared mailing lists. We will no longer be limited to targeted audiences or shared prospects. Targeted audiences mean just this little group of people. We're going all over. That's what we want to do for you. We do not want to just target one audience and be static. We want you to have a dynamic presence. So we are getting away from it, moving into social media. As I said before, if you just have, like for example, just a little example here below, you have an ad. These are true statistics. We do not take numbers from the top of our head. These are true analytical numbers. One ad gets you 53,000 impressions in Facebook, social media. You get 1,600 clicks, which should average about 16 conversions. You just need two to, again, pay for a subscription. That's it. So if you just please put your email here, subscribe, and go to step 3 and choose your package. And I will talk to you soon. Thank you again. Bye-bye.